COVID has taken a devastating toll on businesses. That much we have known for a while now. We've also learned over the past year how important schools and childcare centers are to keeping the wheels of our economy moving.
Still, many daycares are struggling to stay open. Denver 7's political reporter Megan Lopez shows us the new grant programs aim to help.
W is for worm.
It's reading time at Meadows Early Learning Center in Parker.
I'd rather have you practice than continue.
Sitting crisscross on the floor, these little minds are being molded. That is, when they're not being distracted by the big camera in the room. This child care center has stayed open throughout the pandemic, but it hasn't been easy.
It's a day-to-day struggle. We were down about $123,000 in revenue from last year.
Along with declining enrollment, their costs are going up.
We spent over $24,000 just on janitorial supplies, just on gloves, on bleach, on Lysol wipes.
Owner Katie McDonald was able to get the first round of PPP loans, but the money ran out fast. Now, like many others, they're struggling to stay open.
To be 100% honest, if we don't get this type of help, I'm going to sell my house.
During a special session in November, Colorado lawmakers passed a bipartisan bill to offer $45 million in grant money for these centers.
Right now, 10% of our providers have already closed their doors because of the pandemic, and 40% are at risk of closing their doors.
The first grant program provides immediate relief for child care facilities to stay open. Checks ranging from $500 to $35,000 should start going out by the end of the month.
We put enough money to fund all of our licensed child care providers with the anticipation of a significant portion of them applying.
The second grant program helps these centers expand to take in more kids. Bill co-sponsor Brittany Pedersen.
I would not be able to do my job without my child care provider.
Knows the value of childcare. Her 1-year-old went to daycare for the first time right before she headed into the special session to work on this bill. Now she's hoping the grant program will help other parents. Back at Meadows Early Learning, McDonald says she still faces a lot of uncertainty.
We're not still 100% sure exactly what we're going to get, if we're going to get it, how much we will get, or when we will get it.
So she's holding on, hoping help will come soon. Megan Lopez, Denver 7.